Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today we'll look back at the initial success of Hbar's DeFi platform at the BID Miami conference. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. Right now, Hbar looks like the market is already in the final stages before a potential powerful price explosion. The coin has been in a prolonged accumulation mode for too long, and it's precisely these periods in the crypto market that often end with the most aggressive growth. What's most interesting is that most participants still don't perceive Hbar as a potential leader in the next impulse, and this is precisely the situation in which the market usually begins to move especially sharply. As of May 21st, 2026, Hbar continues to hold near the key range of 10 cents to 10 cents and 3 cents, and now the market looks like sellers are already starting to lose control of this zone. The price is increasingly consolidating near resistance. Pullbacks are becoming weaker, and buyers continue to slowly but surely push the market higher. Historically, this structure often serves as a prelude to a sharp breakout. The most important thing now is that Hbar has practically stopped reacting to local market pressure with sharp declines. Previously, any upward movement was quickly broken by aggressive selling. Now the situation has completely changed. Even during pullbacks, the price holds significantly stronger than before. This is one of the first signs that the market is gradually entering a new phase. The 0.10 level is now becoming the main psychological trigger for all further movement, because above this zone, the chart structure changes dramatically. There's room for acceleration, and a huge amount of liquidity and seller stops are found there. Therefore, many analysts believe that a breakout of 0.10 to 0.103 could trigger a chain reaction of growth. The Hbar is now increasingly resembling a classic coin of late accumulation. Volatility remains low, the range is compressed, and the price is holding near the top of the consolidation. Historically, these structures often trigger the sharpest moves. Moreover, after prolonged accumulation, the market can show tens of % growth in literally a matter of days. Technical indicators are also starting to look very interesting. The RSI on the daily time frame continues to hold in bullish territory. At the same time, the market still doesn't appear overbought, meaning the potential for further growth remains very high. Moreover, the RSI is forming a stable structure of higher lows, which is often an early signal of a strengthening uptrend. Mexi.co. After months of pressure, the MACD is finally turning upward. Bearish momentum has virtually disappeared, and buyers are gradually beginning to regain the upper hand. These are the kinds of signals that often appear before the start of a new medium-term rally. It's also worth paying attention to the Bollinger Bands. The range remains tight, and the price continues to hold close to the upper boundary. Typically, such structures indicate that the market is preparing for a sharp increase in volatility. And if a breakout does occur, the move could be much stronger than most participants expect. The fundamental picture is also worth considering. Hedera continues to strengthen its position in the corporate sector, and the market is increasingly discussing the development of AI integrations in the expansion of the ecosystem. Against this backdrop, institutional interest in HBAR is gradually returning. And here comes the key point. While most of the market continues to follow the already rising altcoins, Hbar is still in the accumulation phase. These coins often show their strongest moves when the market no longer expects them. If we consider the bullish scenario, then consolidation above 0.103 opens the way to 0.115 to 0.12. This zone is considered the first serious target for a new impulse, but the real action could start higher. If the crypto market truly enters a full-fledged alt season, Hbar could very quickly accelerate to 0.15 to $0.16. Moreover, the movement could be extremely aggressive as the coin has been under pressure and accumulation for too long. Some long-term models are already starting to see the 0.20 to 0.25 range as a realistic target for the coming months. Of course, risks remain. If Bitcoin unexpectedly enters a deep correction, Hbar could retest the 0.09 to $0.088 support. However, right now, the market structure appears much stronger than it did a few months ago, because sellers are gradually losing control, and buyers continue to hold the price near key resistance. To summarize, Hbar currently looks like a coin that is literally a few % away from potentially triggering a new powerful momentum. The market has held the price within accumulation for too long, and it is precisely these periods that often result in the strongest moves. And if the 0.10 to 0.103 level is finally broken, Hbar could very quickly enter an aggressive phase. What your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching, and see you next time.